told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong.
Okay, good to go?
No, I'm finally ready.
All right, well, off it goes.
I'm not as quick as Johnson.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm
yeah,
such
mine's a little great too. I
disgrace.
set
I
mine to
never
F9.
really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the
But that's
same.
okay.
I don't really wanna hurt you,
I'd rather
but
be
I
bright
can't
than dark.
control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe
Darken
it
it.
could be okay. Okay, maybe you
Yeah,
could
I
be
agree
the
with
change
you.
I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I need to, I always say this, but I need to shoot, when I'm shooting with my 7D, I need to go out of my way to shoot brighter. Because for some reason Lightroom darkens the pictures every time I load them in. They come in, and then after I load them in, they start darkening. I don't know why, but it's on my 7D, not my 5D. It's always done that. I've never figured out why.
I think you're going to hand down a little bit. It's over top of the paper. That's correct. Look at that blur in there. It looks great.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If you're still
I looked at the hands on the hips. You have to hit the one side or the other.
Yeah.
I did a tape that looks funny how I do it. Oops, you went too fast
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you
That it?
felt that way.
All right.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and
Take your word
fake a
for it.
smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.